Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rafa Augusta. Today I'm going to show you something really cool and useful. How to access MikroTik RouterOS using Winbox. And also learn some basic commands that every beginner should know. If you are new to MikroTik or still learning about networks, don't worry. I will explain everything step by step in a simple and easy way. So, grab your laptop, open your Winbox, and let's get started. What is MikroTik and RouterOS? Before we start, let's talk a bit about what MikroTik actually is. MikroTik is a company from Latvia that makes networking devices like routers and switches. Their routers use a special operating system called RouterOS. RouterOS is basically the brain of the router. It controls all the network functions such as IP address, routing, firewall, and wireless configuration. Now, to manage RouterOS, we can use different methods like Winbox, Webfig, SSH, or the command line or CLE. But the easiest and the most popular one for beginners is Winbox. It has a nice graphical interface that's simple to use. Alright, before we connect, make sure you have these things already. This a MikroTik router, for example, Hoplite or RB750. As for me, I use Hoplite, guys. See, because the school prepared Hoplite, guys, to a laptop or PC, and last, a LAN cable to connect your laptop to the router. The Winbox application, you can download it from the MikroTik website. Yeah. Once everything is ready, connect your laptop to one of the LAN ports of your MikroTik router. Now let's open Winbox app. Okay guys, if you already open Winbox tab, you'll see a window with two tabs on the top, Network and Manage. This. Then click on the Network tab. This will show all the MikroTik devices that take in your network. And mine, this. Usually, you will see your router appear with its MAC address and IP address. Most of the time, it's 192.168.88.1 by default. But why is my IP 192.168.15.131? Because I access this via VMware in MikroTik MTCRE. That's why the IP is different. Now click on the MAC address or IP address to select it, then enter the login detail. Enter the login detail. Wait. Username admin. Password left it blank. Don't type anything. And click connect. See? You are now inside your MikroTik RouterOS. You should see the Winbox interface. On the left, there is a menu with things like interface, IP, bridge, router, routes, and many more. This is where you can control everything about your network. Even though Winbox is graphical, sometimes we still need to use the terminal to type commands. It's faster and more powerful. To open it, just click the new terminal button on the top. A blank window will appear. This is where you can type MikroTik commands. Open new terminal. This. Wait, guys. Uh, why? Sorry. This. This. Now let's learn some basic and super useful comments you will need in the empty signal level. Show IP address. If you wanna show IP address, you should comment like this: IP address print. This. See, this comment shows all the IP address currently set on the router. And if you wanna add a new IP address, the comment is like this: IP address add address. For the example, 192.168.168.1/24 and interface other one. Then IP address print. See, this comment adds a new IP to a specific interface. For example, other one. If you wanna see your interface, you can comment like this: interface print this. This comment checks if your router can reach the internet. And if you wanna see your routing table, you can comment like this: IP route print. This displays the current routing table, basically how data travels through the network. And show router name. You can comment like this: print. The name still MikroTik. If you wanna change, you can comment like this: system identity set name. For example, my lab. But guys, my lab is then see, this is change before MikroTik and after my lab. You wanna see detail, comment like before. That is system identity print. Look, the name is changed. You can replace my router with any name you like. Maybe something cool like your name like Rafa like that. Then in inbox, uh, you can join itu if IP. You can click logo IP and click addresses. With this you can manage up to you like IP. For example, add IP, terus add interface, example ether 3, and apply. Di network otomatis apply and okay. Look this add, and if you wanna change your identity with UI, you can click system logo and click identity. This you can change up to you. For example, select, apply, and okay. Okay, and that's it. You have just learned how to access MikroTik Virtual OS via Winbox and use some of the basic commands in the terminal. Those comments are super important if you are studying for the MTSNF certification, or if you just want to understand how routers really work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep practicing, because the more you explore MikroTik, the more confident you will become in networking. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. See you in the video, guys. Bye.